The world is quietly splitting, not by borders, but by how we adapt to AI. On one side, people watch their careers fade as automation takes over tasks once thought secure. Headlines echo their anxiety, painting technology as a threat. On the other side, early adopters thrive, using AI as a partner to amplify their skills and creativity. Designers generate visuals in minutes, writers brainstorm with AI, entrepreneurs build businesses on code they didn't write. This isn't the distant future, it's happening now. The divide is real between those replaced by technology and those who harness it. The difference isn't age or background, it's mindset. Adaptability and curiosity are the new currency. The tools are accessible to anyone willing to learn. The future belongs to those who ask, how can I use this? Instead of resisting change, will you be swept away, or will you build your own boat? The choice is yours. This isn't just another tech trend. It's a transformation as profound as the printing press or the internet. AI is rewiring society at breakneck speed, compressing decades of change into months. Remember when the internet seemed niche? Now it's the foundation of the global economy. AI is the new ground floor. Unlike past automation, which hit manual labor, AI is revolutionizing white-collar work. It writes, codes, designs, analyzes, and diagnoses. No industry is immune. Treating AI as a fad is a costly mistake. The world is being rebuilt on an AI-powered operating system. You don't need to be a technical expert, but you must recognize the scale of this shift. Orient yourself to this new reality. The first step is understanding AI is here to stay. The second is action. Start exploring, not ignoring. The pace of change won't slow down for anyone. The question isn't if AI will impact your field, but how soon. Don't wait to be left behind. The time to adapt is now. AI's impact is already reshaping jobs everywhere. Customer service bots now handle complex conversations, reducing the need for large call centers. Creative tools generate images and content in seconds, shifting the designer's role from execution to curation. In finance, AI analyzes vast data sets in minutes, freeing analysts for higher-level strategy. Even software development is changing. AI writes code, making developers more like architects than coders. The message: AI isn't just automating repetitive work, it's transforming cognitive jobs. The nature of work is evolving. Adaptation is no longer optional. The future belongs to those who can work alongside AI. Disruption brings opportunity. AI is the ultimate tool for creators and entrepreneurs. Individuals can launch businesses, create content, and analyze markets with AI. No big team required. Content creators use AI for scripts, voiceovers, and animation. Novelists brainstorm plots, musicians generate melodies. AI is a collaborator, not just an automaton. The most successful ventures are human-AI partnerships. Humans provide vision and judgment, AI delivers speed and scale. This synergy lets anyone compete globally from their living room. The question isn't what can I do, but what can my AI partner and I achieve together? The playing field has never been more open. Overwhelmed? Start small. Here's a three-step launchpad to integrate AI into your work. First, dedicate 1 hour a week to exploring AI tools. Just play, ask questions, and experiment. Build intuition by seeing what these tools can and can't do. Second, pick one repetitive task in your workflow. Find an AI tool to automate or speed it up. Focus on a small win, not a total overhaul. Third, integrate that tool into your routine. Notice how it changes your workflow and look for more opportunities. Each success builds momentum and confidence. Your AI toolkit grows one step at a time. The goal: move from passive observer to active participant. Don't wait for perfection, start with curiosity. Action is the antidote to fear. Fear of AI is paralyzing, but action is empowering. Embracing AI isn't surrender, it's taking control of your future. Learn the tools and you become the disruptor, not the disrupted. Every new skill is a declaration of agency. Shift your mindset. Ask how AI can help you excel or create new opportunities. Technology is just a lever, you decide how to use it. The most valuable skill now is adaptability. Your job title may change, but your ability to learn is permanent. Invest in yourself by engaging with AI. Don't let fear write your story. Take the pen. You're more powerful than you think. The first step into AI has never been easier. You don't need a degree or coding skills, just curiosity. Tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are free and user-friendly. Everyone is a beginner. The field is wide open. Don't worry about mastering everything. Just start. After this video, open a new tab and try one tool for 15 minutes. Ask a question, give a command, see what happens. This small step is a commitment to your future. The tools and your next chapter are waiting. Take the next step,